say you'll cut vertically right through here, you'll be able to see the trachea.
Okay.
So cut up through that way. Okay, I think I can see trachea right here. You can see the rings of the cartilage right there. You can see the heart. Now we can talk about the lungs. There is 1, 2, 3, and this is probably considered the fourth one on the right, this mediastinal lobe. And then on the left there is 1, 2, there are 3 lobes on the left in the pig. Diaphragm. What is this big organ right here?
Liver.
That is the liver. And here's part of the umbilical circulation. Cut through this one for just a second so we can look at the gallbladder. There we go. Look under the edge here. There is the gallbladder right there. There's gallbladder. Small intestine. Stomach. Hold on a second. There's stomach. Small intestine. And if we go under the stomach, pull this back right there for just a second. There is the spleen right there. And then deep down in here is going to be the pancreas. Let me see if I'm happy with what I'm seeing. Yeah, there's pancreas down in there. It kind of has a grainy appearance, pancreas. And when we pull these back, these intestines back, we can see kidney. Now, lift that piglet over and empty that for just a sec. Okay. Good deal. Now put her back on her back. Okay, now when we look behind here, now hold these out of the way for me. There is the little ovary. Right there is an ovary. And these things that look like little noodles, these are her oviducts, or her part of the horns of her uterus anyway. Actually, these would be the horns of her uterus and the ovaries here. Let's look and see if we can see a difference between the large and the small intestine. So hold this forward. Did we say that was the spleen earlier? Did we get that? Okay, we got the kidneys. And probably that's the large intestine in the back, the thicker. I was kind of thinking there would be the rectum. And let's look at her backside here. Hold her up. There's her anus, and then here is the opening to her vagina in front of this little piece right there. Actually, I don't think I was completely blocking it. So anus is here, and then her vagina would be in front of that area.